I'm again solving this question, but I'm just going to change my subject, starting from my linear equation 3x plus y equals to 1. Okay, now I'm going to take x as the subject. Okay, so 3x equals to 1 minus y. Then shifting this 3 over here, x equals to 1 minus y over 3. This is my equation number 3. Okay, first step. Now, after that, started from equation 1. So put equation 3 in equation number 2. Okay, so I'm putting it over here. X is 1 minus y over 3. So 1 minus y over 3 whole square. Plus y square equals to 5. Now be very careful when you are applying your power. Power will be applied in numerator and denominator both. Okay, so I'm writing them separately. My numerator is 1 minus y whole square and 3 square will be 9 plus y square equals to 5. Okay, I'm doing it so you will understand. Okay, you have to apply it on both, right? After this, expanding this one, 1 minus y whole square will be 1 minus 2y plus y square over 9. 1 minus y whole square is expanded by a minus b whole square formula upon 9 plus y square equals to 5. After that, now what is the numerator? Denominator over here, denominator is 1. So the LCM of 9 and 1 will be 9. 1 multiplied by this whole thing, 1 minus 2y plus y square. 9 multiplied by this whole thing, 9y square. And then 5. 9 shifted over here. So 9 5s are 45. Y square plus 9y square is 10y square minus 2y plus 1. Okay. There is no denominator because I have shifted it. So I am removing this one. 10y square minus 2y plus 1 minus 45 equals to 0. 10y square minus 2y minus 44 equals to 0. Taking 2 common, so 5y square minus y minus 22 equals to 0. Shifting 2 on the other side, 5y square minus y minus 22 equals to 0. Now I am doing middle term bracket. 5 into 22 is 110. So I have to take those factors of 110 which should have a difference of 1. Okay. So if I will take it 11 and 10, so the difference between 11 and 10 is 1, which I need over here. So 5y square minus 11y plus 10y minus 22 equals to 0. Y common, 5y minus 11 plus 2 common, 5y minus 11 equals to 0. So 5y minus 11, 5y minus 11, 5 minus y minus 11 I have taken common, and then y plus 2 equals to 0. Simplifying it, 5y minus 11 equals to 0, or y plus 2 equals to 0. So y equals to 11 over 5, or y equals to minus 2. Right? Now I am going to put in equation number 3, which was x, where x was the subject. I am going to put all the equation value over here. Okay, so first of all, x equals to 1 minus 11 over 5 upon 3. Okay, so simplifying it, 1 minus 11 over 5 divided by 3, taking LCM, 5 minus 11 over 5 divided by 3. I have taken LCM over here below. Simplifying it further, 5 minus 11 will be minus 6 upon 5 divided by 3. So for simplification, I am writing it minus 6 upon 5 divided by 3. So when I will simplify it, this will become minus 6 over 5. Divide will be changed into multiply, cancelling it, and my result is coming minus 2 over 5. The value of x is coming minus 2 over 5. So I am going to write it x and y. When x was coming minus 2 comma 5, y was coming 11 over 5. Right? Now, working with this one, y equals to minus 2, putting it in this equation with us. Y equals to minus 2, x equals to 1 minus 2 over 3, x equals to 1 plus 2 over 3, x equals to 3 over 3, x equals to 1. So x and y, the result is coming 1 comma minus 2. So you guys can see that either I am taking making y as the subject, or I am making x as the subject. The results are going to be same. Result will have no effect on them. Question number 3 of exercise 2.2. Question number 3 of exercise 2.2, which we are going to start right now. Okay. Now in this one, the question says 3x plus y equals to 1. Okay. So the question is saying 3x plus y equals to 1. That's my first one. And the second equation is given x square plus y square equals to 5. Your first equation is given 3x plus y equals to 1, and your second equation is given x square plus y square equals to 5. These are your two equations which are given to us, and they are saying that you have to solve them with your result. Okay, so starting with my linear equation first. This is my equation number 1, and this is my equation number 2. Okay. Now, linear equation is equation number 1, so I am starting from equation number 1. Starting from equation number 1, what is my equation number 1? This is my equation number 1. 3x plus y equals to 1. So first of all, I am taking y as the subject. 1 minus 3x. Y equals to 1 minus 3x. I have shifted. I am taking y as the subject. This is my equation number 3. I have started from equation 1, so this will be going in equation number 2. Put equation 2 in equation put equation 3 in equation number 2. Okay, I'm putting this equation in equation 2 because I have started from equation number 3. Right? Now simplifying it, so x square will remain as it is. Y square, y is 1 minus 3x, so 1 minus 3x whole square equals to 5. X square plus expanding 1 minus 3 2s are 6x plus 9x square equals to 5. I have applied a minus b whole square formula. 1 minus 6x plus 9x square equals to 5, and I am getting this answer which is in front of you. 9x square plus x square will be 10x square plus 1, and this will be shifted. So minus 6x plus 1 minus 5 equals to 0. 10x square minus 6x minus 4 equals to 0. Okay. After that, taking 2 common, so this will become 5x square minus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. Okay. After this, shifting this 2 on the other side. So 5x square minus 3x minus 2 equals to 0 over 2. This 2 which was in multiplying form, I have shifted it over here and now it is in division form. Okay. So 5x square minus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. Middle term breaking, 5 2s are 10. So 5x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 2 equals to 0. I have done middle term breaking over here. Taking 5x common, so this will become x minus 1 plus 2 common, x minus 1 equals to 0, which means either x minus 1 or 5x plus 2 equals to 0. So x is 1 or x is minus 2 over 5. Okay. Now putting these two values in equation number 3. Put in equation number 3. So when I will put it over here, y equals to 1 minus 3, x is coming 1. So 1 minus 3, y is coming minus 2. So x comma y in bracket is 1 and minus 2. Okay. Same equation, y equals to 1 minus 3. In place of x, I will be putting minus 2 over 5. Y equals to 1 minus minus plus 3 to the 6 over 5. Taking LCM, y equals to LCM will be 5. So 5 on the 5 plus 6. Y equals to 11 over 5. So the result x comma y is coming minus 2 over 5 comma 11 over 5. That's the answer for this one.